I think this is a clarification of what we have talked about today on the 8th of July for our design. So it's a bit messy here, but I hope you understand what these things are about. So first of all, the column of proceedings will have a box around it. I'm suggesting we have a little triangle on the side so that if a user taps on that, they get a list of the options of the inherent metadata that's available. I've just illustrated a few here, and yes, the text is probably way too big. The user chooses one, it appears as a column stuck to the thing, and they can choose another one like we have seen here. And if they then go into the menu, you can see that the ones that are used are not as bright and strong as the others. So you can click now, for instance, on locations to hide it. Maybe we'll have an X or so in these columns to close it. I don't know, but it should be super simple and elegant. So that's the first thing we discussed, where the addition is basically the little triangle. How to make it, how to make it more 3D, I don't know. We should definitely experiment with that, but we do need, I think, a special everything is visible next to each other kind of view at least as well. So here is a selected paper, and we need a way for that to be able to be moved out of the list, because it's not enough to just hide them and show them, as Mark pointed out towards the end of the call today. So in this sense, it's now lifted, probably using a hand menu lift. It's floating over there on the side. User selects it, and a thinner kind of frame connects it back to the document. The user should now be able to pull that back into this frame, and it'll snap back to where it used to be. And please notice when you go between this and this view, the list reorients. I faked it by just graying out the bottom one, but it means it's no longer listed there. You have this view. Hopefully we can do the drag onto the main box to put it back if the user wants to do that, or maybe an option somehow. Also, if this view is when there is a lot of metadata, this thin gray line will still connect when it's there. So these were thoughts onto how we can deal with some of our issues of metadata and views. Just wanted to put that onto a video for us to review. Thank you very much.